What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a trailer ladder rack. You can actually hook this up to your trailer for those that have a trailer, but we don't have a trailer. What we are going to do is hook this up in our garage. So if you haven't seen any of my content of 500 plus videos or reviews, I did review this ladder rack. It didn't really come out the way that I wanted it to come out. So right here we have another ladder rack in the office. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox it. For those that have a trailer, this may be good for you if you have a lot of ladders. As soon as we open the box, a little damage, but it's still manageable. So here goes the instructions right there. I might just go ahead and post it for y'all so y'all can see it. I will be installing this as well. It says enclosed trailers, open trailers, cubed vans, box vans, cargo vans. So basically, if you are comfortable with screwing this onto your truck, van, or whatever application you use, then go right on ahead. But with us, we are going to put this in the garage and we are going to put our ladder on it, or we can put wood on it, or whatever you want to put on there. Oh, this is so nice. You guys, they gave us templates. They gave us templates. Thank you. All right, so right there you have your templates for the top, and then they give you another 2 templates for the bottom half of your rack. We have gloves, in which I probably won't use them, but let me give y'all an idea. Oh, these are small. All right, you guys, so I wear a size medium and these are tight. We are going to take the main course out. This is rubber right here. Nice. All right, so there we go. And it looks like you could take it off from right here. Feels like steel. Got a hook right here on the bottom. You can't turn it off, so it stays just like that. So that is very secure right here. Right, and as you know on the template, you have screw hole here, screw hole here. Simple as that, you guys. So this will not take us long to hook up. And they actually put the brand name on it, so that's pretty nice. Cause when I be doing like product reviews and stuff, some people be asking me, hey, what's the brand of whatever product that I have or whatever they're asking for, and I'd be like clueless because there's no brand name on a lot of products that I was reviewing on the channel. So with that being said, you know, I just tell them to follow or tell them to click on the link, and then the link will drive you to your destination. All right, we have a load of screws right here. They probably didn't have to add this in, but they added it in. All right, so these 2 are longer. All right, that's nice. All right, you guys, so stay tuned. I am going to install this in the garage. I have here the original bolt from this, and I am not going to use the original bolt, you guys, but I'm just going to show it to y'all. So here goes the original bolt. It's really long, so I don't really need that long for, you know, whatever I'm putting up there. I'm not putting nothing heavy up there. It's just going to be like a basic ladder, maybe some wood, PVC pipes or something, but nothing heavy is going on there. This bolt is good though if you're putting it on your trailer, because it comes with the nut for the back of it as well, nut in the washer. So there you go. What I'm going to put on here is a little bit smaller. Okay, so I'm putting a smaller bolt on there. It's going to be in the stud, so I'm not too worried about anything, so nothing will fall. And that's just me, but I will use the same washers that come with it. So I will take it off like that, and I will put it in. Well, it goes like this, and then there you go. So I will have that much into the wood, but that will be fine. It will be in the wood, you guys, so there's no worries on that. And yeah, I'm gonna go put the rest on and then finalize the review. All right, you guys, so we have the shelving up right now. I don't think I'm gonna put a ladder up there. I could put a ladder up there, but I'm not gonna put a ladder up there. What I'm gonna do is put all of the wood that I have, the extra wood, the extra PVC pipes and stuff, so it's just not laying in the corner. I think I'm going to put everything up there to have it up there organized and straight. So I'll put everything up there, finalize the review, and that will be it. All right, you guys, so here you go. The rack is up there and it looks very good. I actually like it, you guys. I got the hooks right there. I could put my PVC pipes on the bottom if I want to separate it, or I could just put my PVC pipes right beside the wood right there. You have the logo right there of the company. Right there. All right. Now, they did give us 2 bungee cords, so I do have the other one hooked up, going across. Those are the 2 long ones. I got the other one in the loop. Oops, sorry. Got the other one in the loop. All right, you guys, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.